Unraveling the Dreamlike. Understanding Surreal Experience. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that captures the essence of extraordinary moments: surreal experience. This term often pops up in stories, movies, and when people share unforgettable moments. Our journey today will illuminate its meaning, usage, and how you can incorporate this expression into your English language arsenal. Let's unlock the mystery of this fascinating phrase. A surreal experience is something that feels beyond reality, almost like a dream. The word surreal itself comes from the Surrealism art movement, which sought to unleash the creative potential of the unconscious mind. Therefore, when something is described as a surreal experience, it's so unusual, bizarre, or dreamlike that it seems to defy the laws of reality. It's that moment when you pinch yourself and wonder, is this really happening? To bring the concept closer to home, let's explore a few examples. Finding yourself amidst the breathtaking beauty of a landscape that looks too magnificent to be real. Meeting a celebrity or hero in person when you least expect it, making you feel like you're living in a dream. Experiencing a rare astronomical event, like a total solar eclipse, giving a feeling of stepping into an otherworldly scene. These instances highlight moments that break away from the mundane, offering a glimpse into the extraordinary, where the lines between reality and fantasy blur. Now, let's practice incorporating surreal experience into our conversations and writing. Here are a few sentence examples. Walking through the ancient ruins at dawn was a surreal experience. It felt like traveling back in time. Winning the award was such a surreal experience. I couldn't believe it was happening to me. Seeing the northern lights dance across the sky was the most surreal experience of my life. Notice how this phrase elevates the description, adding a layer of wonder and disbelief to the narrative. Understanding and using the phrase, surreal experience, enriches our way of expressing those rare, dreamlike moments that defy ordinary description. It's a beautiful way to convey the profound impact of an experience that leaves us awestruck. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and will inspire you to share your own surreal experiences in English. Thank you for joining us, and keep exploring the vast, colorful world of the English language.